Hi everyone, this is Mr. Jackson. We're going over our homework problems for Tuesday, October 2nd, 2012 in math. The first thing you should make sure you've done before we start is write your name, your first and last name, and date on both sides of your paper. That's very important. Go ahead and take some time to do that. Because that way if your paper gets lost, if someone finds it, they'll know whose it is. You cannot get credit without a name on your paper. All right, we'll start with number 1, and it says to write 1,234 in written form, expanded form, and to draw a base 10 model to match the number above. First and foremost, this is standard form. Standard form is when you just write the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,234. Written form is when you spell the words out. And you can't spell it out if you don't know how to say it. But we know how to say 1,234. So we're going to spell 1, which is O-N-E. And we'll spell 1,000, which is T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. And we'll put our comma there because they have a comma separating the ones period from the thousands period. 200, T-W-O for 2. And 100 is spelled H-U-N-D-R-E-D. And then we have 34. We'll need a hyphen for this one. 30 is spelled T-H-I-R-T-Y. And we'll put the hyphen, and then we'll spell the word for, F-O-U-R. 1,234. You must have the comma, must have the hyphen, in order to receive credit. In part B, they ask for the expanded form. Expanded form is when you take this number and you break it apart by place value. 1,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4. This is the expanded form of 1,234. Do not put the equal sign and then put this back up here. Expanded form is simply when you break it apart by place value. Also, when you are doing written form, do not put plus signs in the written form. Plus signs are for expanded form. Commas and hyphens are for written form. Okay? So now we need to draw a base 10 model to match the number above. For your thousands block, you would put two squares within one another and use line segments to connect the corners. There you have 1,000. 200, you will draw two large squares and label each square 100. So you don't put 100 here and then 200 there. You put 100 here and 100 here, because 100 plus 100 equals 200. Well, 100 plus 200 would be 300, and you don't want that. 30. You need 3 tens blocks. Those are your vertical slim rectangles. You need 3 of these to represent 30. Represent is another word for show. Okay? So that would be worth 10, that would be worth 10, that would be worth 10, and together they'd be worth 30. And of course 4, you draw 4 small blocks and label each block with a 1. You don't put 1 here and then 2 here and 3 here and 4 here. No, each block is worth 1. And when you add 4 ones together, you get 4. So this would not be 10, 20, and 30 for your tens blocks. It would be 10, 10, and 10, because 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Okay? So if you can do all 3 of these things, you will get full credit for number 1. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me at ClassJump. Thank you.